Hi, in this video we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem to relate the length of the diagonal of a square to the side length of a square. Now we're told the diagonal here is 3.8 centimetres. We want to find the perimeter of the square. Now we can see we've got a right angle triangle here because a square has right angles in it, so there's a right angle here. But if we want to use Pythagoras' theorem, we would need to know two of the side lengths in order to find the third. But we only know one of these side lengths. However, because we know it's a square, we know at least that this length is the same as this length. So we could call them both x to make them the same length. And now we can use Pythagoras' theorem. So let's remember how Pythagoras' theorem works. If we do one of the shorter length squared, so the x squared, and we add the other shorter length squared, so x squared, that gives you the length of the hypotenuse squared, so the 3.8 squared. Remember, the hypotenuse is always the longest length of the right angle triangle. It's opposite the right angle always. So if we simplify this, we get x squared plus x squared is 2 lots of x squared. And 3.8 squared, let's just actually do that on our calculator. That is 14.44. Now, we've got 2 lots of x squared. So if we just want 1 lot of x squared, we can divide both sides of the equation by 2. So get x squared is, and that's going to be 7.22. And then if we square root both sides to get rid of that squared, we're going to get x is equal to, and then the square root of 7.22 is equal to 2.687. So we now know the side length of this square is 2.687, because our x is 2.687. And to find the perimeter, well, you just need to times that side length by 4 because you've got 4 side lengths and the perimeter is the length all the way around the square. So the perimeter, P, is 4 times that side length that we found of x. And times that by 4, we get 10 point, and how many decimal places do you want? 2 decimal places, so 7.5 centimetres. So that's the final answer. The total side length, the total perimeter of this square is 10.75, sorry. And that is the final answer.